Let's face it, if you change brake pads enough times, then at some point you'll have to deal with sticky calipers. And believe me, I've had to deal with more than a few myself. As a professional mechanic, I don't have the luxury of taking all day to pry open a stubborn caliper. I need to get it open and get that job done. That's when I reach for the Orion Motor Tech 24-piece disc brake caliper toolkit. It has everything you need to open your vehicle's stuck calipers. The kit is conveniently organized in a sturdy ABS plastic carrying case and comes complete with a great pair of rubber-coated gloves, 18-piece disc adapters that fit most vehicles from Audi to Volkswagen and all makes in between, 2 retaining plates, thrust bolts for both right and left-handed use, and yes folks, there really is a difference. Oh, and I should mention, these thrust bolts come equipped with strong magnets embedded in the end that securely hold the adapters in place. So there's no fiddling with loose pieces that fall off every time you look at them funny. Also available in a red case, it's not only perfect for the professional mechanics like myself, it's great for weekend warriors and novices alike. To show you how effective this tool really is, I decided to scour the scrapyard and find the nastiest caliper I could, and believe me, this puppy is frozen solid. Simply find the appropriate adapter for your application, attach it to the end of the thrust bolt, begin screwing the bolt until it stays in place when you let it go. Verify everything is seated and aligned properly, then begin cranking it down until the caliper breaks free and is completely depressed. It's that easy. You can see the pressure this tool applies to the caliper as you watch the fluid squirt out like a fire hose. The Orion Motor Tech 24-piece disc brake caliper tool. Nothing beats it.